Good morning, girls. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to see a grammar part in Unit 7, question tags. So, what is question tags? So, question tags are short question at the end of the statement. So, look at the following picture. A father is asking his son, "You want a chocolate?" So, he can question him, "Don't you?" So father asks his son to confirm whether he wants a chocolate. He need confirmation. So he is asking, "Don't you?" So we will see one more example. Look at this picture. You have a test. So she is asking, "Don't you?" So Suganya asks a friend to confirm that she has a test tomorrow. So that's how tags are used to confirm. So something is true or not, and to encourage a reply from the person we are speaking. So how question tags are formed? So we will see how question tags are formed. So tags are formed with the auxiliary or modal verbs. So from the statement with the approximate subject like a pronoun, auxiliary, modal plus not plus pronoun. So negative auxiliary and verbs in question tags are usually in the contracted form not. So we will see some contractions. So isn't, is not, wasn't, was not, aren't, are not, weren't, were not, don't, do not, doesn't, does not. These are all the contractions. So a positive statement is followed by a negative question tag. So a positive statement plus a negative question tag. So you are a student. You are a student is a positive statement. For that, aren't you? So it is a negative statement. So a subject pronoun comes after a auxiliary or a form of the verb. We will see some examples. She is a doctor. Isn't she? So a positive statement and a negative question. Okay. Number 2. The books are interesting. Aren't they? Next one. I can't swim. Can't I? Next one. We should obey the elders. Shouldn't we? Next one. Once the car was costly. Wasn't it? A negative statement is followed by a positive question tag. So, a negative statement plus a positive question tag. So, Kyle is not a lazy girl. So, is she? So, a subject pronoun is to replace the noun or noun phrase. So, we will see some examples. We don't have enough time, do we? So, a negative statement plus a positive question tag. Next one, he is not playing well. Is he? Next one, you were not listening. Were you? Next one, Chandini hadn't seen you before. Had she? Next one, children should not watch TV too much. Should they? So this one is a negative statement plus a positive question tag. So next one, if the sentence has no auxiliary verb, when the statement is simple present, we can form question tags with do, does. So you will see some examples. You play the guitar, don't you? So play for play, do. So next one, if the sentence has no auxiliary verb, when the statement is simple present, so we can form question tags with do, does. So we will see some example. You play the guitar, don't you? So for play, we can add do plus play. Okay, so next example. Deepa likes tennis, doesn't she? So for like, does plus like. So doesn't she? So next one. When a statement is simple past, we form the question tags with did. So for the past, we will use did. He came yesterday, didn't he? So did plus come. So came for came, we will write did plus come. Statement using barely, hardly, rarely, scarcely, neither, no, nobody, none, nothing, and seldom are treated as negative statement. So we will see some special cases. He hardly works, does he? So they seldom speaks, do they? She rarely comes late, does she? He told nothing, did he? So these are negative statements, so we will use positive tags. So next we will do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable tags. She is collecting stickers, isn't she? So it is in positive statement, so we have to do negative question tag. Second one, he often watch TV in the afternoon. Don't we? Next one, you have cleaned your bike, haven't you? Number 4, John and Max don't like Max. So it is like rhyming. So do they? Number 5, Peter played handball yesterday. So it is in positive, so we have to convert into negative. So didn't he? So next one, they are going home for school. So they are going home from school. So it is in positive, so we have to convert into negative. So aren't they? So next one, seventh one, Mary didn't do her homework last Monday. So it is a negative, so we have to convert into positive tag. Did she? Next one, eighth one, he could have bought a new car. So it is could he? Ninth one, Kevin will come tonight. So it is in positive, so we have to convert into negative. So won't he? Final, tenth one, I am clever. So it is in positive, we have to convert into negative. So aren't I? So fill in the blanks with suitable tags. He is still sleeping. So for that, isn't he? So it is in positive, we have to convert into negative. Second one, you go to school. So don't you? Third one, let's go for a walk. Shall we? Number 4, we won't be late. So it is a negative. So will we? Next one, nobody called. Did they? So it is a negative. We have to make into positive. Next one, number 6, they will wash the car. So it is in positive. So we have to convert it to negative. Won't they? Next one, we must lock the door. So it is in positive. Mustn't, must not be. Number 8, I'm right. So it is in positive. So aren't I? So we have to convert it into negative. So ninth one, so you bought a car. So it is in positive. Don't you? Don't. Number 10, you would not like to invite my dad. So it is in negative. Would you? We will make a positive tag. Hope you understand this question tag. Thank you girls. We'll see you in next class.